Did you know that your employees could accidentally leak sensitive company information just by asking AI a question? With tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, and Claude becoming part of everyday work, businesses are becoming more productive. But they're also creating new security risks. Here are the 5 biggest AI mistakes that could expose your company data. Mistake number 1. Pasting confidential information. Never copy and paste customer information, employee records, financial reports, contracts, passwords, or proprietary business data into public AI tools. If you wouldn't post it online, don't paste it into an AI chatbot. Mistake number 2. Trusting every AI answer. AI is incredibly helpful, but it isn't always correct. It can make mistakes or confidently give you inaccurate information. Always verify important facts before making business decisions. Mistake number 3. Connecting AI to everything. Many AI tools ask for access to your email, cloud storage, or Microsoft 365 account. Before clicking Allow, ask yourself if the tool really needs that level of access. Only connect applications you trust. Mistake number 4. Ignoring company policies. If your organization has rules for using AI, follow them. Many companies provide approved AI tools that offer better security and privacy protections than public versions. Mistake number 5. Forgetting AI doesn't replace human judgment. AI is a powerful assistant, but it shouldn't replace your common sense. Always review AI-generated emails, reports, and documents before sending them to customers or coworkers. Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace, but using it responsibly is just as important as using it efficiently. Protect your company's data by thinking before you prompt. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Language Tech Solutions, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity tips, Microsoft 365 tutorials, and practical AI advice for businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.